Alright folks, here we go. There is some sage grass, rabbit manure, and I put my potatoes, you can see there's 3 in each row, in here. I'm going to cover it again with some sage grass, and it's just the stuff I got from the field, and we'll cover that up real nice there, okay. And then we're going to dump some more rabbit poo. Spread it out. And then put another layer of potatoes here. And these are just potatoes I had left over. So this is just kind of an experiment for me. It's not really like, oh God, this is my food source, it's going to feed me. This is just me saying I might do this if this is a little easier than the other potatoes. So this is my last row. So I'm just going to put them all on here. And yeah, there's a lot of them. So kind of dump them out of the bag on there. Alright, and the lady that I watched do this said you want to make sure that they're kind of facing the inside there. So, not really out on the edge. Alright, so now we're going to put I'm going to put the sage grass on and another thing of manure so it can go down in, and that'll be all. So, I'll be back to show you what it looks like finished.